In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for YouTube search fast and easy. Google Trends is a fantastic tool for understanding what people are searching for online and can be a great asset to your YouTube strategy. So let's dive right into how you can harness its power for your channel. First, you'll want to go to Google and search for Google Trends. Once you see the search results, navigate to the first link and click on it. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. It's a straightforward interface, which makes it incredibly user-friendly even if you haven't used it before. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the Explore button. Go ahead and click on that. It will take you to the main area where you can start inputting keywords and seeing trend data. Now think about a keyword related to your video content. It could be something like fitness workouts, tech reviews, cooking recipes, or DIY projects. Enter your chosen keyword into the search bar and press Enter to pull up the trend graph. The graph provides you with a visual representation of search interest over time, revealing when the keyword is particularly popular or less so. But to get the most out of the data, you should adjust a couple of filters. Start by setting the location and language filters. Choose the target country or region that best fits your audience, and make sure the language aligns with them as well. For the type of search, select whether you want to measure a specific search term or a broader topic. This can affect the comprehensiveness of the results. Next, decide on a time range. If you're looking for recent search trends, set the time period to the past 12 months. But if you're after long-term patterns, opt for a time range that spans the last 5 years. This broader view can help you identify seasonal trends that might guide your content planning. Now take a closer look at the trend graph. Note when interest in your keyword rises and dips. This will give you insight into potential video topics or the ideal times to publish content for maximum viewer interest. Below the graph, you'll also find sections for related topics and related queries. Here, you can discover popular variations of your keyword, which could be perfect for refining your video titles, tags, or even sparking new content ideas. If you want to broaden your analysis further, you can compare multiple keywords. Click on Plus Compare next to the search bar to add additional topics. This is particularly useful if you're deciding between several video ideas and want to go with the one that's generating the most interest currently. Finally, once you've explored all this data, scroll down to see the detailed results. With this wealth of information, you'll be better equipped to optimize your content for what your audience is actively searching for. Armed with this knowledge, you can create videos that have a higher chance of resonating with viewers and choosing topics that align with current trends. And there you have it. By leveraging Google Trends, you can tailor your YouTube content to meet the demands of your audience, boost your views, and ultimately grow your channel. Thanks for watching, and happy trending!